Welcome to GED Exam Practice Test. Our topic today is Number Sense and Solving Word Problems. Download the app by using the link in the description or by searching GEDprep AI Tutor in the App Store and Google Play to access more exam-like practice tests. Question 1. Peter wants to repaint his 800 square foot apartment. He calculates that he has 4,000 square feet of wall space to paint. He will not paint the floor or the ceiling. If each gallon of paint will cover 400 square feet of wall space, how many gallons will Peter need? A. 30. B. 10. C. 20. D. 3. The correct answer is B. 10. Explanation. To find how many gallons of paint Peter needs, divide the total wall area by the coverage per gallon. First, the total wall area to paint is 4,000 square feet. The coverage per gallon is 400 square feet. Next, divide to find the number of gallons. 4,000 divided by 400 equals 10. So in the end, Peter will need 10 gallons of paint. Here is a tip. When a problem gives per unit, coverage or rate, use division to figure out how many full units are required. Question 2. For a family get-together, Daryl wants to be sure that each child gets 3 party favors. The party favors cost $4 each, and there are 6 children coming. How many party favors will Daryl need? A. 24. B. 12. C. 13. D. 18. The correct answer is D. 18. Explanation. To find how many party favors Daryl needs, multiply the number of children by the number of favors per child. First, the number of children is 6. The favors per child is 3. Next, multiply 6 times 3 equals 18. So in the end, Daryl will need 18 party favors. Here is a tip. When each person gets the same amount, use multiplication to find the total. Question 3. Sarah and Kate live 14 miles apart, and they both work at the same office. If Sarah lives 16 miles from the office and Kate lives 25 miles from the office, how many miles farther from the office does Kate live than Sarah? A. 10. B. 2. C. 11. D. 9. The correct answer is D. 9th. Explanation. To find how many miles farther Kate lives from the office than Sarah, subtract Sarah's distance from Kate's distance. First, Kate's distance from the office is 25 miles. Sarah's distance from the office is 16 miles. Next, subtract 25 minus 16 equals 9. So in the end, Kate lives 9 miles farther from the office than Sarah. Here is a tip. When a problem asks, how much farther, how much longer, or how much more, you usually need to subtract one value from another. Question 4. Joyce owns a beauty salon, and she has posted the following information in her salon. How many minutes will it take Joyce to give 3 pedicures? A. 90. B. 55. C. 30. D. 75. The correct answer is A. 90. Explanation. To calculate the total time required for multiple identical services, you multiply the time taken for one service by the number of services. First, identify the relevant information. From the provided table, we need to find the minutes to complete for a pedicure. Next, extract the value. Looking at the row for pedicure, under the minutes to complete column, the value is 30 minutes. Then, perform the calculation. Joyce needs to give 3 pedicures. Since each pedicure takes 30 minutes, multiply 30 minutes per pedicure times 3 pedicures, which equals 90 minutes. Here is a tip. Always double-check the service and the corresponding time in the table to avoid errors. Make sure you are multiplying by the correct number of services requested. Question 5. Joyce owns a beauty salon, and she has posted the following information in her salon. How much more does a customer pay for the makeover than for the manicure and pedicure combination? A. 35, B. 20, C. 15, D. 25. The correct answer is D. 25. Explanation. To find out how much more one item costs than another, subtract the price of the less expensive item from the price of the more expensive item. First, identify the prices of the services in question. From the provided table, the price for a makeover is $60, and the price for a manicure and pedicure is $35. Next, subtract. 60 minus 35 equals 25. Here is a tip. Always subtract the smaller value from the larger value when determining how much more or how much less. This will give you a positive difference representing the exact amount. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.